What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restock video. I am more pumped than ever about this one. For one, because we do have lower pricing for spring break, obviously, and now for quarantine slimes. Of course, everybody's stuck in quarantine, so if you want to get some slime to entertain you while you are bored at home, it is cheaper than ever. Slime start at $10, going up to only $11 for 8 ounces of slime, so that is really cool in itself. In addition to the lower prices this restock, we're also going to be giving away a free 2-ounce slime to the first 30 purchases, so make sure you go ahead and snatch yourself some slime. And of course, finally, my song Be My Slime is finally out on all major platforms. Anywhere you can buy or stream music, it is available. It's even here on YouTube. I will make sure to leave a link down below so that you can check it out wherever you would like to. I am super pumped about this. Y'all seem to like it. Y'all have been sending me dancing videos to it and also just been reacting to it. By the way, I am going to do a reaction video to reacting to your reactions. I know that barely made sense, but basically I'm going to be reacting to your reaction of my song. So if you film a reaction video, make sure you go ahead and send it to me because I'm going to be doing that tomorrow on Saturday, the 21st of March. So yeah, go ahead and get your reactions in and let me see what you think of my song. So starting off the restock, I had to start off with this one. This is Be My Slime. It is the official slime of my song called Be My Slime, out now everywhere. I know I already said that, but I'm just really proud of it, y'all. Go ahead and check it out if you haven't. This slime is amazing, and I really hope that y'all snatch this one. There's a ton of it, so if you want it, it's definitely going to be there. This is a clay slime, and it's super nicely scented. It's actually scented like orange soda pop, Jamaican Me Crazy, and pineapple, so it's super bright and fruity and vibrant. I really love it. It's such a nice clay slime texture made with Daiso clay, and it's very, very smooth and puffy. It gets very, very inflated when you play with it a lot, and it's just a bop and a half. It comes topped off with red, pink, and white stars because it is a love song, kind of inspired by the color scheme of the cover artwork as well. I just really love it. Next up, we have Chanel No. 2. This is my #1 bestseller in the shop. It is a thick and glossy, bubblicious bubblegum scented slime. It is perfect for the beginner slimer or any type of slimer. If you're an intermediate slimer or an expert slimer, you will still love this slime as well because it's super, super thick yet stretchy as well, and it doesn't really melt on you either. It takes forever for this slime to melt, so it's perfect for somebody who is inexperienced with slime, or if you just want to chill on the couch and watch a movie or something while you're quarantined and play with slime without even having to think about, oh, is this slime gonna drip everywhere? This is the perfect slime for you, so go ahead and snatch this one, okay? Next up is another new slime. This one is called Unicorn Pudding Cup, and it's super cute and adorable. It comes with a little sprinkle pack as well, so you can add sprinkles if you'd like. This is a school glue thickie, and it is two-toned, meaning there are two colors in the slime. As you can obviously see, there's like a tealish kind of color and then a pink color as well to it. This is scented just like blue cotton candy and cheesecake. It smells super, super nice, creamy and sweet. Definitely like a unicorn pudding cup should smell, and I just think this slime is so adorable. When you mix it together, it does become like a lilac-y periwinkle kind of purple color, like a really light bluish purple color, and I think it's so adorable. Mud Mask is back again in limited quantities though, so y'all, if y'all want this, I really encourage you to go to the shop super early and wait there until it opens so that you can snatch yourself a Mud Mask. This one is the third bestseller in my shop. However, we don't always make it just because it's kind of a lot of work to make a big batch of it, and also very expensive to make as well. So that is that, but you know, we had to bring it back for a while, especially now during quarantine season. I guess we should call it. It's not even spring break anymore, right? This is a buttercream slime, so it's like a mixture of a butter slime and a cloud cream, scented just like green tea lemon. It's super sizzly, super nice and creamy and spreadable. It's just everything you would want in a slime, honestly. Peach Crunchy Cake is a new slime to the shop, and it is topped off with orange and pastel sprinkles. I think it's so adorable. This is a half foam, and it's scented just like peaches and birthday cake. It smells really, really good. I highly recommend that y'all snatch this one as well. If you like crunchy slimes, or if you like slimes that get super bubbly, this one's definitely going to be for you. It's super nice and just great to play with. Easter Vibes is a new slime to the shop as well, and I want to say this is like the prettiest jelly slime that I have ever made. It's still clearing up a little bit, you can kind of see the bubbles, but that is the color of the slime. It is a pastel kind of light pink color, and it's so adorable because there are like pastel colored pom-poms in there to give it texture, and it's also topped off with a bunch of glitters, and of course you have to have those confetti sprinkles because they're so cute and so like they fit in with the Easter vibes, the Easter aesthetic. You know what I'm saying? I really love this slime. It's also lightly scented like jelly beans. I didn't want to scent it too heavy because the color is very light, so it wouldn't look as clear as it kind of does, like that frosted kind of clear look, if I would have scented it more. But it is lightly scented. It's definitely enough for you to smell it though, so if you're concerned about that, I wouldn't be, because you could definitely still smell the scent. I just really love this texture. It's super fun with all the pom-poms in there. It's a must snatch. And last but most certainly not least, we have Baja Blast, which is the second bestseller in my shop. This is an icy cloud dough hybrid, so it gets really, really fluffy, and I really love that about it. It is scented just like Baja Blast Mountain Dew. It smells really good, so just think of like a lemon lime soda with tropical notes like pineapple and blue raspberry. It's super, super fun, a very addicting texture, and I think y'all will love this if you snatch it. Alrighty y'all, well that is pretty much it for this restock video. I really hope that you all liked the new slimes, and I hope that you found something that you would like to purchase. Don't forget the shop is opening just like normal every single Friday at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you want to snatch some of the new slimes, that is going to be the time that you want to head over to the shop, maybe even a little earlier if some of them are ones that you want like really bad, you know, you want to make sure that you're one of the first ones to get them. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Be safe out there. I love you all. Bye.